Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to mute audio of a video in Elementor. Right now, as you can see here, I am editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and for creating a new section we need to click on this plus icon in the middle of the screen, and when we click on this it asks us about the layout, whether we want a flex box or whether we want a grid. So we are going to select a grid over here, and in the structure we are going to select the first structure, that is of 1 row and 2 column, and here we are going to place the video widget in the first column of this section. And for adding a video widget you just need to move your cursor over the black header line on the top and click on add element, the plus icon, right? And here you can simply search for video, and then simply drag and drop this video widget in the first column of the section, and we have successfully added the video widget over here. And in the left side toolbar setting you will find a content setting option, and in the content setting option you will find the link option, and here you can simply copy paste your YouTube video link. And when you scroll down in the content setting itself you will find the mute option over here, right? You just need to turn this on so that your video will be played on mute at the user's device, right? Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog, read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.